Your phone buzzes. A friend. What are you up to this weekend? You read it twice. You know the words. Your thumbs just won't move. Screen glowing. Three dots start, then stop. You're still deciding. That freeze has a name. A woman in Seoul told me hers once. I know these words, she said. I just freeze before I press send. That's not a small problem. That's the exact problem we fix today, not tomorrow, not after one more lesson. In the next 15 seconds. Watch, I won't even let you think about it first. Want to grab coffee sometime? Want to grab coffee sometime? Say it like you're already smiling. You just did it. 15 seconds in, no warm-up. That's the point. One more right now before your brain catches up with you. What are you up to this weekend? What are you up to this weekend? Mm-hmm. That sounded like a real question, not a textbook line. Good. I'm Mike. 12 days ago, you couldn't do that. Today, 2 seconds. Honestly, I used to reread a text 5 times before typing back, sure. Not because my English was bad, because I was scared of sounding simple. That's not luck you just had. That's the flow method. Hear it, say it back. Here's how today works so your brain relaxes and just follows along. No pressure, no grading. Just the kind of practice that actually sticks. You're not doing this alone tonight either. Thousands of you, same minute. First, 10 phrases for making plans plus 2 bonus for real life. Then 2 quick scenes, a friend, then family. Hear the tone shift. Then 1 story, start to finish. Then your cross-week review. Stick with me. The very last phrase today is the one people screenshot. Then 1 full round, then your real task. No grammar terms, no tests. Just hear it, say it, move on. Ready? Let's go. Quick truth before phrase 3. The same plan sounds different by who you ask. With a close friend, you can be loud and direct. Watch this. We should totally hang out. We should totally hang out. That totally is doing all the work. It says, I actually mean this. With family, a little softer, a little warmer, still just as real. Hey, we should catch up this weekend. I miss you. Hey, we should catch up this weekend. I miss you. Say the name of someone you actually miss. Same idea, different volume. That's all tone ever really is. Now, someone invites you first. Here's your honest, easy yes. I'm down for that. I'm down for that. Short, warm. No overthinking needed. That's the whole reply. Down for feels casual and modern. Natives use it constantly, not just teens. But sometimes the honest answer is no. English has a graceful way to say it. I can't make it. I'm already booked. I can't make it. I'm already booked. No long excuse. Already booked closes the door politely on its own. Textbooks teach, I'm terribly sorry, but unfortunately, I'm unable to. Nobody talks like that over coffee. Natives keep it short and kind. Good, now you need a new time. Here's how you ask, no pressure at all. How about Saturday? How about Saturday? Now try your own day, Sunday, Friday, whatever's true for you. One more thing about tone, question or statement, it really matters. Say, how about Saturday rising at the end, like a real question, not a demand. How about Saturday? Rising voice. That tiny lift makes it an invitation, not an order. Once they agree, you lock two things only, time and place. Nothing else. Let's say 6 at the usual place. Let's say 6 at the usual place. Change the place in your head, your cafe, your corner, your bench. The usual place is a small phrase that says, we already have history. And if you're the easygoing one this time, say so, plainly. Just let me know what works for you. Just let me know what works for you. Relaxed voice. Zero pressure. Let the words do the calming. Real life gets messy sometimes. You have to cancel. This line saves it. Rain check? I'll make it up to you. Rain check? I'll make it up to you. Say it warm, never guilty. You're rescheduling, not disappearing. Rain check comes from baseball, a delayed game replayed later, free. Native speakers use it for any plan now. You just gained a real idiom. I still say it myself, actually, and even now when life gets in the way. Here it is, the one I promised. The one people actually screenshot. Can't wait. See you then. Can't wait. See you then. Bigger smile this time. Let your voice show it. Pause the video here. Grab your notebook. The real one on paper. Write down one plan you're actually making with someone this week. Your hand remembers English longer than your ears do. Not a guess. Then comment, I'm down for blank. I read every single one of these. Not because I need the number. Words only really land once they leave your mouth. Let me show you the whole thing, start to finish, with a real person. This is Jordan. You've known Jordan since college. Same old jokes. Thursday, 6:47 in the evening. Your phone lights up on the counter. Hey, free Saturday? Just 4 words. Old you would freeze right here. 10 minutes. staring, translating every word before typing one back. Not anymore. Your thumb doesn't hesitate. It already knows the words. Want to grab coffee sometime? 3 dots appear, then, yes. Finally. Jordan was waiting too. Now you're the one locking the details. This part is yours. Let's say 6 at the usual place. Saturday 5:40 in the morning. Your phone buzzes on the pillow. Jordan. So sorry, car trouble. Can we push it? Your stomach drops. For 1 second, the old fear flickers. Say it wrong, lose the friend. Old you would panic, or worse, go quiet for 2 days straight. You take one breath instead. You already have the words for this too. Rain check? I'll make it up to you. Saturday afternoon, phone buzzes once more. You're the vest. Next week? The next Saturday, actual coffee steam, actual laughing, actual you. No script running in your head this time, just 2 people catching up. That's the version of you this whole method is quietly building. Daily. 3 phrases. 1 real friendship, still standing, in your own English. Remember that frozen thumb from the start of this video? Compare it now. That's the whole difference between the two. Not new words. Less freezing. That's not a classroom exercise. That's your actual life this week. Now the same skill at work. Plans aren't only about weekends. Your coworker stops by your desk. A few of us are getting lunch. You in? You don't need new words for this. You already have what you need. I'm down for that. Same phrase, quieter tone, a little quicker. Context sets the volume. And if today is packed, the polite version still works here too. I can't make it. I'm already booked. One line. Friend, family, coworker. It works everywhere. That's why we learn it. I saw so many of you in yesterday's comments already using I'll take two. That tells me you're not just watching, you're actually speaking. Keep going. Quick trip back, 3 phrases from earlier in your week. Let's keep them alive. From day 11, when you decided you didn't want something after all. Actually, I'll leave it. Thanks anyway. From day 3, when things felt like a lot and you said so honestly. I'm kind of stressed. From day 4, a whole day, one single thing, no apology needed. I could sleep all day. Still there. Still yours. Good. 2 bonus lines now because real plans don't always go perfectly. This first one is for when you're the one running behind. Running 10 minutes late. See you soon. One text, no long apology needed. Natives keep this one short, always. This second one turns a good plan into a habit. The real goal here. Same time next week. That tiny question is how casual coffee becomes a real friendship. 12 phrases today. Let's hear the full set. One time, just listening. Want to grab coffee sometime? What are you up to this weekend? We should totally hang out. I'm down for that. I can't make it. I'm already booked. How about Saturday, let's say 6 at the usual place? Just let me know what works for you. Rain check, I'll make it up to you. Can't wait. See you then. Running 10 minutes late? See you soon. Same time next week. Now slower with me. One breath at a time. Change every detail to your life. Want to grab blank sometime? What are you up to this weekend? I can't make it. I'm already booked. Rain check? I'll make it up to you. Your turn now, your plans, your people, your weekend, your English. Real plan, right now, before you close this. Message someone real. A friend, a cousin, anyone. Send it in English, the whole message. Want to grab coffee sometime? I'm free Saturday. That's not homework. That's you. Actually living inside this language. Comment. I made a plan in English. I'll be there, reading, replying. Tonight before you sleep, write 5 of today's lines by hand, slowly. Tomorrow morning, say them out loud once before you even open this app. That's tomorrow's review already done before your day even starts. 12 days, over 100 real phrases, all of them already yours. Somewhere tonight, someone reads your message back and smiles. Picture that. Your name on their screen, in English that sounds like you. Not a perfect sentence, just a real one. Sent without the 10-minute stare. That's Jordan's story. Tomorrow it's yours for real. Tomorrow, day 13. You tell someone about your day yesterday in English. Subscribe not for me, so the next freeze finds you ready, not silent. See you tomorrow. Day 12, done.